StarryHub, the all-in-one solution for modern-day meeting rooms. Start video meetings within seconds. No more wiring, no more accessory. One StarryHub is all. 2200 ANSI lumens high brightness projector. HD display screen as large as 100 inches. Ultra clear AI camera 120 degree super wide angle. Wide angle, bigger frame. Remote meeting just like meeting in person. Master level microphone array. CZUR patented AI sound purification technology. 360 degree sound human voice pickup. Pick up sound from 10 meters away. Pro level speaker designed for meeting rooms. High fidelity voice quality, mid-frequency human voice restoration up to 99%. Click drop, a wireless screen casting gateway. Plug and play. Cast-in screen from all type of smart terminals. Cast up to 4 screens at the same time, improve meeting efficiency substantially. CZUR invented interaction tool touchboard. A revolutionary way for big screen interaction. Keyboard, trackpad, gestures, 3 types of interaction method. Pick up to wake up, put back to standby. Starry OS, tailor-made for meeting rooms. Inbuilt with CZUR Starry Meeting app designed for video conference. Import company contact list. Start meetings with zero setup. Compatible with major video meeting apps. A brand new product type for video meetings brought to you by CZUR. StarryHub, the all-in-one solution for modern-day meeting rooms.